Ever wondered why we act the way we do, or what makes us feel certain emotions? Why do some people thrive under pressure while others crumble? These aren't just philosophical questions, they're the core of a fascinating scientific field. Today, we're diving deep into the fundamental question, what is psychology? We'll break down its true definition, exploring what it studies and why it's so vital to understanding ourselves and the world around us. At its heart, psychology is the scientific study of behavior and mental processes. The word scientific is crucial here. Unlike casual observations, psychology employs rigorous research methods, like experiments, surveys, and observations, to gather empirical, verifiable evidence. This systematic approach ensures that psychological insights are based on data and critical analysis, not just intuition or conjecture. It aims for objectivity and replicability, building a reliable body of knowledge about the human experience. So, what exactly does it study? First, behavior refers to any observable action, from a simple smile or a spoken word to complex actions like learning to ride a bike or reacting to a threat. These are things we can directly see and measure. Second, mental processes are the internal, subjective experiences that we can only infer, such as thoughts, emotions, perceptions, memory, and dreams. Imagine trying to understand why someone chooses a certain career path. Psychology examines both their observable actions in pursuing it and the underlying cognitive processes influencing that decision. This makes psychology incredibly broad and impactful, reaching far beyond just therapy. It's applied in education to optimize learning, in business to understand consumer choices, and in sports to enhance performance. For instance, did you know that the concept of classical conditioning, developed by Ivan Pavlov, where a dog learned to associate a bell with food, laid groundwork for understanding how habits are formed in humans? Psychology helps us develop treatments for mental health challenges, design user-friendly technology, and even improve courtroom decisions. In essence, psychology is the systematic, evidence-based exploration of everything that makes us human, from our visible actions to our hidden thoughts and feelings. It's about unraveling the mysteries of the mind and making sense of our complex interactions. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more insights into the amazing world of psychology.